The concept is x square and 50k plus or minus x whole square, both will have same last two digits, right? Both will have same last two digits. This is the concept which we learnt. That means this concept is extremely useful if the power is 2 or in particular even power, right? If the power is 2 in general, it will be very easy for us to solve, right? It is useful if the power is 2. Now think logically, what is the type 1? Type 1 is nothing but when the unit digit is 1. What is type 2? Type 2 is nothing but when the unit digit is 9. That means we get any questions in either type 1 or type 2. Now we know how to solve those questions in a very easy and faster way, right? I hope it is clear, right? Type 1 or type 2, that means if I get any question which is having type 2 unit digit 9, I know how to convert that 9 to 1 and in turn 1 to last two digits, right? Which I already know it. That means I know how to solve problems if it is unit digit 9, right? Now let us attack using the same thing. Let us attack it. Let us attack using the same thing which we already know. We know how to solve if the unit digit is 9. That means type 3 we should convert to unit digit 9 and thereby we know how to solve it from here. It is not a difficulty to solve from there. Now think logically. The concept is x square. That means some number when I square. When I square some number, I should get the unit digit 9. Which number when I square? I will get the unit digit 9. 3 square I will get the unit digit 9. 7 square also I will get the unit digit is 9. That means my heading of type 3 is nothing but when the unit digit is 3 or 7. I hope everyone is very clear. I am not interested in just vomiting the things which I know, sir. I am very much interested in knowing the flow of the class and in turn making you understand the flow of the class. It is very essential for you to link type 1 with the type 2, type 2 with the type 3. Then your understanding or solving problem will be very effective. I hope it is clear. Write down type 3 heading. Type 3 when the unit digit is 3 or 7. This is how you need to connect the dots, and this is actually education. This is what you need to understand, how to connect the dots and learn in the much easiest way possible. When the unit digit is 3 or 7. Why 3 or 7? Because 3 square unit digit is 9 and we know how to solve it for 9. 7 square unit digit is also 9. Again we know how to solve it for 9. I hope everyone is clear till here. Please comment in the live chat, sir, because I continuously took from the last 5 minutes. I want to understand before I start solving type 3 questions whether it is clear till here for you people. Unit digit is 3 or 7. HRC says it is very clear for him. Surya, yes. Shruti, yes. Very good. I am very happy for you, sir. Now listen carefully, sir. Now see here. Unit digit is 3. Take some number, sir. Whatever you like, please take it. Suppose 83. What is the unit digit of 83? It is 3. Put any power of your choice. Suppose for example 36. Right? First question, listen carefully, sir. Right? First question, listen carefully. Now I know the concept that x square and 50k plus or minus x whole square both will have same last two digits. That means power should be 2, but the power is not 2 in this case. Power is 36. Make the power as 2. Simple. Make the power as 2. That means I can write it as 83 power 2. If I write 83 power 2, but I want the actual power to be 36, write the power 18, because 2 into 18 is only 36. Now first problem I will write step by step, and second problem I need not write step by step because I know that my students will grasp it. Now see here, 83 square is nothing but x square. X is 83. Subtract 100. 83 100 difference is 17. That means 83 square and 17 square both will have same last two digits. What is 17 square? 17 square is 289. What are the last two digits of 289? 89. That means in place of 17 square I wrote the last two digits as 89. Write this power 18 as it is. Now I know how you people can easily solve from here, sir. 89 power 18 is a type 2. Apply the same logic, negative remainder. 89 negative remainder is minus 11. Minus 11 power 18. Negative power even is positive. 1 power any number is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Answer should be 81. That means, can I say that type 3 if you want to solve, you should definitely know type 2. And type 2 if you want to solve, you should definitely know type 1. Type 1, type 2, type 3 all are interrelated. That is one of the reason I said at the starting of my class, let me wait for 2 to 3 minutes for the students to join, because if they miss out type 1, for them it is very difficult to understand type 2 and type 3. I hope it is clear, sir. Now sir, 83 से 17 कैसे आया? Now see here, sir. 83 square is x square. I already told you concept, sir. For this x you can subtract 100 or add 100 or subtract 50, whatever. Nearest number is 100. Subtract 100. 100 minus 83 is 17. I hope it is clear, sir. 100 minus 83 is 17. Now let me take few more examples. It is always better that we take multiple examples for our better understanding. Suppose for example, let me take a number. Suppose for example 37, where the unit digit is 7 in this case. 37 to the power of 24. Now see here, sir. Same thing. 37 power should be 2. Then it becomes easy for me. Make it as power 2. But I want 24. 2 into which number is 24? 2 into 12. Now observe carefully. I might not write all the steps in this case. 37 is x. Subtract 50. 50 minus 37 is 13. That means 37 square and 13 square both will have same last two digits. 13 square is 169. Last two digits is 69. That means instead of 37 square I wrote 69 as last two digits. Write down power 12 as it is. Now it is type 2. Same logic apply. 69 negative remainder is minus 31. Minus 31 power 12. Negative power even is positive. 1 power any number is 1. 3 into 2 is 6. Answer is 61. I hope it is clear. Answer is 61. Suppose, tell me the answer, sir. I am more interested in solving more questions for your better understanding. Tell me the answer. I am sure that my students will only solve this question probably without using pen. I'll just give you a trigger, or just I'll push you to solve this question very easily. Now suppose for example, take any number, sir. 73 to the power of 48, right? 73 power 48 is 73 square power 24. 73 subtract with 50 or subtract with 100. It makes no difference. 73 minus 50 is 23. 73 square and 23 square both will have same last two digits. 23 square is 529. Last two digits is 29. 29 power 24. Now it is unit digit 9, which is type 2. Apply the same logic. 29 negative remainder is minus 71 power 24. Negative power even is positive. 1 power any number is 1. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 unit digit is 8. Answer is 81. I hope it is clear. Answer is 81. It is very easy, sir. Do not make it complicated by doing something which you are not comfortable with. I hope it is clear, sir. Now, one doubt that you might get with this type 3 is, sir, power is an even number. You can write it as 2 into something. Again, power is an even number. You can write it as 2 into something. But what if the power is an odd number? That is something which you might get doubt, right? What if the power is an odd number? Now, listen carefully, sir. We will also take that question. Why to leave that doubt unclarified? Now, see here. Power is odd number, which is 13. See here. 53 power 13. I can write it as 53 power 12 into 53 power 1. Keep this 53 power 1 aside. We will see that later. 53 power 12. 53 square power 6. Use the same logic, sir. 53 square power 6. 53 square. Subtract with 50. 53, 50 difference is 3. 53 square and 3 square both are same. 3 square is how much? 9. 9 power 6 into 53 power 1. But 9 is type 2. Negative remainder of 9 is minus 91. Minus 91 power 6 into 53 power 1. Now apply the same logic. Why to make it complicated? Negative power even power is positive. 1 power any number is 1. 9 into 6 is 54. In 54 what is the unit digit? 4. 41 into 53. That means whenever the power is an odd power in type 3, whenever you get the power as an odd power in type 3, only extra thing is in the last step you need to multiply two numbers, find the value, take the last two digits. You need not find the entire value also. Last two digits is something which is important. When I multiply 41 and 53, I should get the last two digits as 73. Answer for this question is 73. That is the only difference between power being an even number and power being an odd number. I hope it is clear, sir. If the power is an odd number, in the last step you will end up multiplying two numbers. How to multiply these two numbers? These are all something which we have taken in speed maths class and other things, where you can refer those classes in our regular package of YouTube classes, where all our enrolled students are learning, and you can learn all those shortcut multiplication of multiplying it faster. When last digit is even, how to find? That is what I found it, right? Now first thing is, Ramya, are you asking the last digit even in the base or power? Let me understand first. Manoj, I don't know how far you have listened to the last half an hour, 45 minutes. 53 is x. Subtract with 50. 53 and 50 difference is 3. 3 square is 9, Manoj. X square and 50k plus or minus x whole square. Both will have same last two digits. Manoj, I believe that it is clear for you. Now, Ramya, base is last digit is even is what you are asking. See here, base last digit even is not this type, ma. My type 3 is nothing but base is ending with 3 or 7. That is what we are discussing here. Correct, right? That means in type 2, I came with the unit digit 9. In type 1 it is 1. In type 3 it is 3 or 7. What if it is an even number in the base ending? That is something which we will discuss in different types. We need to wait for it. Simple. Let us wait for some more time in fact, not type, so that we will understand what if the base is ending with an even number. Ramya, I hope it is clear, ma. Manoj, I hope it is clear for you also, sir. Surya, excuse me. You can contact us, sir. We will provide our contact number at the end of the session. You can contact us. We will give you information regarding this. We will be more than happy to help you out. I hope everyone is clear with the type 3, sir. Type 3 is definitely an extension of type 2, and type 2 is definitely an extension of type 1. These three are very, very much interrelated. I hope everyone is clear. Waiting for your comments so that I can move on to type 4. Is it clear, sir? Just 1 minute. Okay, next. Gagan says, when power of a multiple of 2 not 4, how to solve? Gagan, can you be little clear, sir? When power of a multiple of 2, now power of multiple of 2, these are all multiples of 2 only. I showed you how to solve it. This is also a multiple of 2. I showed you how to solve it. Suppose this also is a multiple of 2. I also showed you how to solve it. What if it is not a multiple of 2? That also I discussed. Next one, type 4. Type 4. Now listen carefully, sir. Type 4. Again we will learn something. We will understand the concept. Then problem solving is never a difficulty. Type 4, when the unit digit is 5. Type 4, when the unit digit is 5. Now listen carefully, sir. First we will always attack the concept. If the concept is clear, we can rule all these problems very easily. Now 3 easy examples I will take. 15 into 15, 25 into 25, 15 into 25. Why these 3 examples also you will understand within 1 minute. Listen carefully, sir. 15 into 15 is 225. 25 into 25 is 625. This value is 375. Now I am sure that everyone who is watching this video is very I am sure you know this. What is that? What are odd numbers, sir? Any number ending with 13579 is odd number. Any number ending with 24680 is even number. Now forget about this 5. This 5 is nothing but the heading. Heading is every number should end with 5, right? So that is why it is ending with 5 in all these 3 examples. Forget about that 5. If I forget about that 5 for a temporary being, what is this 1? 1 is an odd number. Odd number is ending with which number here? 5. Odd number is ending with 5 into this one is also an odd number. Odd number is ending with 5. Odd number ending with 5 into another odd number ending with 5. What are the last 2 digits? Last 2 digits is 25. Next, 2 is an even number. Even number ending with 5 into this 2 is also an even number. Even number ending with 5. Even 5 into even 5. What are the last 2 digits? It is again 25. Next, 1 is an odd number. Odd number ending with 5 into 2 is an even number. Even number ending with 5. Odd 5 into even 5. What are the last 2 digits? 75. Right? Last 2 digits is 75. Now, let me make it even more easy for you. Right? Let me make it even more easy for you. Some of the students, if you have followed our YouTube channel from long time, you might have heard this concept already from Anil sir or probably from me itself when I was taking classes earlier. Let me make it even more easy, sir. Can I say that odd and odd, they are same family, right? They are same family. Even and even also, they are same family. Can I say that if it is the same family, if it is the same family ending with 5, last 2 digits will always be 25, right? Same family is 25. Odd and even, they are different family. If it is different family ending with 5 and multiplied, last 2 digits will always be how much? 75. That means only thing that you need to remember is same family is 25, different family is 75. Rest all you can just ignore it and solve the problems. Now see here how beautifully you can solve this question, sir. Find the last 2 digits for the following. Suppose your question is 11725, 63435, 91475. Take some random numbers ending with 5, 41325. I want to find the last 2 digits of this product. One way of finding the last 2 digits is multiply all the numbers. Take the final answer, get the last 2 digits. But if you do that method, this will be probably the only question you will solve in the exam, which we are not interested in that kind of methodology. Now see here, all the numbers are ending with 5. Forget about that 5. If I forget about that 5, this is 1172. Any number ending with 24680, it is an even number. Even number ending with 5. 6343, odd or even? Odd. Odd number ending with 5. 9147, odd or even? Odd. Odd number ending with 5. 4132, even or odd? It is even. Even number ending with 5. Just now I told even and odd different, 75. Odd and even different, 75. In 75 again 7 is an odd number. Odd number ending with 5 into this 7 is an odd number ending with 5. Odd and odd same. What should be the value? 25. Answer is 25. Very simple. Why do you want to make it complicated by learning some methodologies which will create or which will take a lot of time for your preparations? Right? Tell me the answer, sir. I want you people to answer these questions. I am more interested in making you solve the problem rather than I keep on solving it. Right? Now suppose for example, tell me the answer. 34735 into 91225 into 71425, right? 714, okay, 71435 for example. Suppose for example, tell me this. 3473 is odd, odd 5. 9122 is even, even 5. 7143 is odd, odd 5. Same logic I will implement. Odd and even is different. 75. 75 into odd 5. Right? 75 into odd 5. In 75 again 7 is an odd number. It is odd 5 into odd 5. Odd 5 into odd 5 is the same family. What should be the answer? 25. Simple, sir. See, only thing that you need to remember here is same family is 25. Different family is 75. How much difficult it is for you to remember? I hope I am making sense for you. This is how all the classes are taken by only 2 faculties from Anil Nair classes in aptitude. That is Mr. Anil Nair and Mr. Ajay. So much of content, so beautiful shortcuts. I think probably all the enrolled students, you deserve it, sir. You definitely deserve this content to make it to the top of your examination. You should be very good in understanding concepts, sir. That is what something which I told you in the middle of the class. How many formulas will you by heart? How long will you by heart? You keep on by hearting formula. Your faculties in some other institute will come to you and say that students, today we are discussing percentages. If you do not by heart 10 to 15 formulas which are there in topic percentages topic in your textbook, probably you will end up not solving the questions. And you will keep using variables. Find the distance. Let the distance be x. That is something which is a pale old method which you are using, sir. Try to upgrade things. The only thing which I tell to most of the students, simple straightforward bullet statement. Remember this statement, sir. Only when you update your skill set, you will also update your salary. Isn't it true, sir? Your salary updation is directly proportional to the skill set you update. Keep updating your skill set. Why do you want to unnecessarily learn the same things which are there in your textbook and end up saying that that is the only methodology which is there? The world is so beautiful. You should explore it. You should definitely explore the new way of learning, solving the problems. I hope it is clear, sir. Next. Now observe carefully. This is something, I forgot the student name. Please ignore some nonsense comments by some people in the live chat, which is something which I saw right now. Okay. This is something what Ramya has asked me. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Type 1. What is the type 1? When the unit digit is 1. Type 2 is when the unit digit is 9. This 9 by using negative remainder we will convert back to 1. Type 3 is x square and 50k plus or minus x whole square. Both will have same last 2 digits. So we ended up learning 3 and 7 as the unit digit in type 3. Type 4 is when the unit digit is 5. Right? When the unit digit is 5. These are all odd numbers. All the odd numbers we have learnt till now. Right? We have learnt all the odd numbers till now. The other things which is left is even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. But can I say that 0 power any number except it is a 2-digit number, it will always end with 0, 0. Right? 0 power any number except for a 2-digit number ending with 0. 10 power 1 is 10, which is very easy to say as 10. 70 power 1 is 70. Right? Which is very easy to say as 70. That means 0 power any number other than the power 1 which I am talking about, it is always ending with 0, 0. So this is something which is waste to study, because 0 power any number is very easy to do it. Right? The only thing which are left is 2, 4, 6 or 8. I hope it is clear. Only thing left is 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Now please write down type 5. Type 5. When the unit digit is very, very important type. When the unit digit is 2, 4, 6 or 8. When the unit digit is 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now listen to this carefully. Do not write anything until I explain you some things before we start solving the problems. Now see here. 2 can be written as 2 into 1. 4 is 2 into 2, 6 is 2 into 3, 8 is 2 into 4. All these 4 numbers are multiples of 2, right? That is nothing but even numbers anyway, right? Now listen carefully, sir. There are 4 people, right? There are 4 people. Those 4 people are 2, 4, 6 or 8, right? These are the 4 people. They are at different places, but I don't like they being at different places. I want everyone to get combined at a single place, and after they come to a single place, and we will decide what next can be done. That means instead of going to this person's house separately and telling where to go, instead of going to this person's house separately and telling where to go, similarly with these 2 persons, I will ask these 4 people to come to a common point, and from that common point let us decide what can be done, right? That means I am talking about a concept called as LCM, lowest common multiple. That means 2 will come to a number called as 24, because 2 into 12 is 24. 4 will also come to a number called as 24, because 4 into 6 is 24. 6 into 4 is 24. 8 into 3 is 24. All these 4 people will meet at a common number called as 24, and from there we will decide what next can be done. I hope it is clear. It is something like, in a very easy manner, if I want to explain you people, I am not coming to each and every student's house and teaching this last 2 digits concept. I am sitting in my home and I am asking every of my student to come to a common platform called as Anil Nair Classes YouTube channel, and from there I am telling what to be done to solve these problems. Same concept here also. Exact same concept. I am not updating to each and every student in personal WhatsApp when is the next class. I am creating a WhatsApp group, and that is the common platform where all the students are getting broadcasted when the classes will happen. Same thing. That means instead of separately studying 2, 4, 6, 8, let us combine all these people and let us solve some questions in a most easiest way possible. That means LCM of these 4 people or numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 is 24, right? LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8 is 24. Now listen to this carefully, sir. Sir, do not worry about that question, Gagan. I will come back to that question. Concentrate on type 5. Let me come back to that question later on. LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8 is 24. Now this 24 is a very special number in last 2 digits. Why? Because 24 power 1 last 2 digits is 24. 24 power 2 576 last 2 digits is 76. 24 power 3 last 2 digits is 24. 24 power 4 last 2 digits is 76. That means can I say that 24 power 1, 3, 5 etc. odd number, 24 power odd number last 2 digits will be 24. Similarly 24 power 2, 4, 6, 8 even numbers, 24 power even number last 2 digits will be 76. Very important key point. 24 power odd number is 24. 24 power even number is 76. That is the second key point. Third key point, 76 power 1 last 2 digits is 76. This is something Anil sir also discussed today in simplification class. 76 power 2 last 2 digits is 76. 76 power 3 last 2 digits is 76. That means 76 to the power of any natural number. 76 to the power of any natural number last 2 digits will always be 76, right? 76 to the power of 2147 is also 76 last 2 digits, right? 76 to the power of any natural number last 2 digits is always 76. That is the third key point. Keep listening, sir. Totally 5 to 6 key points are there. After understanding these key points, problems are dead easy, right? Now fourth key point, suppose I have a number 24, right? I have a number 24. What is the negative remainder of 24? 24 minus 100 is minus 76. That means the negative remainder of 24 is 76. Suppose if I have 76, what is the negative remainder of 76? Minus 24. That means 24 and 76 can be interchanged whenever you require using negative remainder concept. And we know the properties of both 24 and 76, right? 24 and 76 can be interchanged whenever you require. using negative remainder concept. That is the fourth key point. Last two key points. Now observe carefully. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. These are the numbers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Whenever the unit digit is 2, 4, 6 or 8, please make use of this special number called as 2 power 10. Sir, why 2 power 10? Because 2 power 10 is 1024. And what are the last two digits of 1024? 24. And I know all the properties of 24, right? I know the properties of 24. That means whenever you are dealing with 2, 4, 6, 8 as the unit digit, always make use of 2 power 10. 2 power 10 last two digits is 24, and I know the properties of 24, right? I know the properties of 24. That is the fifth key point. Everyone clear till here, sir? Right? Next, last key point, very very important key point. Listen carefully. 76 into 256, last two digits is 56. 76 into 512, last two digits is 12. 76 into 64, last two digits is 64. 76 into 08, last two digits is 08. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Hold on, please. What are you doing here? Let me explain you people. Now, observe carefully, sir. 256 is nothing but 256 is 2 power 8. 512 is 2 power 9. 64 is 2 power 6. 08 is 2 power 3. That means this 76 is multiplied with powers of 2. 256, 512, all these are powers of 2. 2 power something, right? Whenever you get 76 multiplied with any power of 2, 76 multiplied with any power of 2, last two digits in the answer is nothing but last two digits in the power of 2. That means in 256, what are the last two digits? 56. That only will be the last two digits in the answer. In 512, what are the last two digits? 12. That only will be the last two digits in the answer. 64, last two digits is 64. 08, last two digits is 08. That means, suppose, tell me the answer, sir. 76 multiplied with 1024. 1024 is also 2 power something, 2 power 10. Last two digits in the answer is how much? 24. Please remember, it is 76 multiplied by something only, right? 76 multiplied by 2 power something only, not any other number. Suppose, for example, 76 multiplied with 62. 62 is not 2 power something. So last two digits, it's not 62, may or may not be 62. And also remember, there is one exception in this case. That is nothing but 76 multiplied with 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 02. 76 into 2 is how much? 152. Last two digits is 152 here, but here it is 02. They both are not matching. That means 76 multiplied with any power of 2, last two digits in the answer is nothing but last two digits in the power of 2, except when multiplied with 2 power 1. I hope it is clear. Except when multiplied with 2 power 1. Everyone, I believe that it is very very clear for you people. Only after you message in the live chat as clear, I will move on to problems on type 5. Please reply in the live chat, sir. I am waiting for your comments in the live chat. Vijay says clear, Praveen says clear, Sunny, Ramya, very good. If it is clear, then I will move on to type 5 problems. Let me just brief for a minute about the key points. I am making every person come to a common point called as 24, which is the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8. 24 power odd number is 24, 24 power even number is 76, right? 76 power any natural number is 76. 24 and 76 can be interchanged whenever you require using negative remainder concept. That is another key point. Whenever you are solving problems on unit digit 2468, make use of a superb number called as 2 power 10, which is having last two digits as 24, and thereby we know the last two digits key point for 24, right? Last key point is 76 multiplied with any power of 2. Last 2 digits in the answer is nothing but last 2 digits in the power of 2. I hope it is clear. Last 2 digits in the power of 2. Now let us solve some very good questions on type 5, which will also clear Ramya's doubt of what if the base is having the last digit or the unit digit as an even number. Right? Now listen to this carefully, sir. Let me start with an easy question. 2 power 2004. Listen carefully. 2 power 2004. First question, listen carefully. Whenever you have 2468, make use of the special number 2 power 10. I will write this 2 power 2004 as 2 power 10 power 200. This became 2 power 2000, but I want 2004. Multiply with 2 power 4. So this is totally 2004. Right? Now listen carefully, sir. Can I say that 2 power 10, it is 24. First problem I am writing step by step for your understanding. 2 power 10 last 2 digits is 24. Write down power 200 as it is. 2 power 4 is 16. Right? Next. 24 power 200 is an even number. 24 power even number. What are the last 2 digits? We already know the key point. 24 power even number is 76. Write down 76 in place of that. Multiplied with 16. Just 2 minutes before we discussed 76 multiplied with any power of 2. 16 is also a power of 2. Last 2 digits in the answer is nothing but last 2 digits in the power of 2. That means this 16 will come as the answer. Answer for the first question is 16. I hope it is clear. Answer for the first question is 16. Vinod, we will take, sir. We will go step by step. First question answer is 16. Very easy question to solve. 2 power 10 power 200 into 2 power 4. 2 power 10 last 2 digits is 24. 24 power even number is 76. 76 multiplied with 16, which is a power of 2. Last 2 digits is 16. Second question. Second one. Now see here, sir. First question, unit digit is 2. Second question, suppose for example I will take unit digit 8. Right? I will take unit digit 8. Listen carefully. 18 power 36. Step number 1. Whenever you get 2, 4, 6 or 8, express it as 2 into something. So 18 can be written as 2 into 9 power 36. This can further be simplified as 2 power 36 into 9 power 36. 2 power 36 is 2 power 10 power 3. Right? 2 power 10 power 3 into 2 power 6. Right? This is 2 power 36 into 9. 9 is nothing but type 2. I believe everyone remember it. Negative remainder of 9 is minus 91. Minus 91 power 36. Now same logic we will implement, sir. Observe carefully. Some steps I might not write because I am sure that my students will understand it without even writing that. 2 power 10, it is 24. 24 power odd number, how much it is? 24. 24 power odd is 24. Write down 24. 2 power 6, it is 64. Write down 64. Minus power even is positive. 1 power any number is 1. 9 into 6 is 54. In 54 unit digit is 4. Now a student asked just now a question which he deleted. All is well, student. 24 when to convert it to minus 76. This is where you can convert it, sir, because I know that 76 multiplied with any power of 2 last 2 digits is whatever is there, right? But not 24 multiplied with any power of 2. But I also know that 24 can be interchanged to minus 76 by using negative remainder. So minus 76 I wrote in place of 24 into 64 into 41. Keep this minus as it is. 76 into 64, last two digits is 64 into 41. Now only one extra step in this methodology is you should keep that minus as it is, multiply 64 and 41. If I keep minus as it is, if I multiply 64 and 41, I will get last two digits as 24. But I got a negative remainder. Whenever I have a negative remainder, add it with the denominator, and the denominator in last two digits concept is it is always 100. Add this minus 24 with 100. What is 100 minus 24? 76. Answer for this question is how much? Answer for this question is 76. I hope it is clear, sir. Answer for this question is 76. But this is one of the method of solving it. This is my method 1. You can use this method, or you can also apply method 2, which I will solve right now. Whichever method you are comfortable, please go with that method, sir. As a teacher, my role as a teacher is to show you multiple directions. As a student, your role as a student is to pick up the direction which you are comfortable with. I am not telling that use method 1. I am not telling use method 2. I am telling I will teach you multiple methods. You should pick up the method which you are comfortable. I hope it is clear. Ankita, I don't know where you started your class from, but I discussed in type 2. Whenever you have negative remainder, you should add with 100 in last two digits concept, because last two digits is nothing but remainder when you divide that number by 100. Ankita, I hope it is clear, ma? Now see here, this is method 1. Method 2, same question I will take, sir. Same number, 18 power 36. Listen carefully. 18 power 36. Can I say that x square and 50k plus or minus x whole square both will have same last two digits? This is something which we have discussed in our type 3, right? Same concept I will implement. Power should be 2. Make the power as 2. That means 18 power 36 I will write it as 18 square power 18. Sir, why did you write like this? Can I say that 18 square is 324. What are the last two digits of 324? 24. 24, write power 18 as it is. And we also know the key point that 24 power even number. 24 power even number, how much it is? 76. You already got the answer, sir. You already got the answer. Within 2 steps you got the answer here. Whereas you got it in multiple steps here. That is the reason I told you a statement. It is completely up to a student to pick up the direction or the method which you are comfortable. I will always teach the methods which is required for my students. You pick up the method which you are comfortable, sir. I hope it is clear. Uday, I am explaining the last step in method 1 and also method 2 because I am not sure which method you are referring to. Keep this minus as it is, Uday. I wrote it as it is. 64 and 41, you should multiply it, sir. When you multiply, you will get 24. Negative 24 you got. Add with 100 to make positive. 100 minus 24 is 76. I hope it is clear. Next, first question is unit digit 2, second question is unit digit 8. Now Anil, minus 1 minus 17 minus 1, that means I think that you are putting everything in the base. Minus 19 is what you are saying. Minus 19 power 36 is nothing but 19 power 36. 19 power 36 apply type 2, that is nothing but last two digits type 2. Clear, sir? Next, third question. Question number 3. I don't want to delete the screen because key points are written in the screen itself. Let me delete that particular portion. Now see here. Suppose for example, unit digit 2 over unit digit 8 over. Suppose I take unit digit 4. 14 power 42. Right? 14 power 42. Now, one way of solving 14 power 42 is 2 into 7 power 42. This is 2 power 42 into 7 power 42. 2 power 42 is 2 power 10 power 4 into 2 power 2. 7 power 42. Make use of type 3. 7 square power 21. 7 square I will directly write it as 49, sir. 49 also I will directly write with negative remainder as minus 51. I hope you will understand this, right? 7 power 42 I can write it as 7 square power 21. 7 square is 49. 49 is type 2. 49 negative remainder is minus 51. Now 2 power 10 is 24. 24 power even number is 76. 76 multiplied with 04. 2 square is 04, right? Negative, keep it as it is. 51 power 21 is type 1. Make use of the same concept. 1 power any number is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Right? Now, we also discussed the key point. 76 multiplied with any power of 2. 04 is the power of 2. Last two digits is 04 itself. Into minus 51. Now, minus 51 into 04 is minus 204. Or in last two digits is minus 04. Whenever I get a negative value, add with 100. 100 minus 04 is 96. Again, this is my method 1. Right? 96. In method 1, after 2 to 3 steps, I made use of this concept x square and 50k plus or minus x whole square concept. Right? So that concept I used after 2 to 3 steps. Method 2. Whichever method you are comfortable, you can use it, sir. Method 1 I got it as 96. Let me check whether I will get the same answer in method 2 or not. Method 2. 14 power 42 is the question. 14 power 42. Instead of using that x square concept after some steps, let me use it in this step itself. 14 square power 21. 14 square is 196. Last two digits is 96. 96 power 21. 96 negative remainder is minus 4. Right? 96 negative remainder is minus 4. Minus 4 power 21. Negative number to the power of odd number is negative. 4 is nothing but 2 square. 2 square power 21. It is 2 power 42. Keep that negative as it is. 2 power 42 is 2 power 10 power 4 into 2 power 2. Same thing apply again, sir. Why are you thinking that it's a very difficult question? Negative. 2 power 10 is 24. 24 power even is 76. 76 multiplied with 04 is 04. You already got this step. Minus 04. Add with 100. 96. Either use method 1 or method 2. It will not make any difference as long as you make calculation mistakes. X square and 50k plus or minus x whole square, both will always have same last two digits. Anil, what happens when power has a negative sign? That we will discuss in probably CAT level questions when we take this concept to a next level of questions, sir. You should make it as 1 by that number with a positive power. That also we will discuss in the other extension of this particular class. I understood, Anil. I understood your doubt. I hope everyone is clear, sir. Unit digit 2, unit digit 4, unit digit 6, unit digit 8. I am waiting for your comments in live chat. Please comment in the live chat, sir. Suresh, very good question, sir. What if the power is a fractional value? If the power is a fractional value, we will end up with decimal numbers, right? We will not, unless it is a, what do you say, like it's a third, which is exactly perfectly divisible, perfectly simplificable. So we will end up with a decimal number. That kind of questions also we will take in high level questions of this particular topic. These are some things, whatever we have discussed in today's class, these are some things which you should definitely know to solve last two digits concept. What is happens if the negative sign? That is our workshop based problems. We will take it later. What if it is a fractional values? We have some way of solving problems which we will keep it to the next level of questions, which we will take it as high level workshop. There we will clarify or we will take such kind of problems. Praveen Kumar, if it is more than 1 power, not in all the cases we cannot find the last 2 digits very easily, sir. But in some cases we can find. That also we will discuss. I am writing down all these doubts. Very good, that I am very happy to see all these doubts so that we will take or we will include all these kind of questions also in our high level workshop problems. Gagan, unit digit 3, 38. This kind of problems we have already discussed, right? We have already discussed this variety of question, Gagan. Suppose I will take 3 power 38 itself. 3 square power 19. 3 square is 9. 9 power 19. 9 is minus 91 power 19. Minus power odd is negative. 1 power any number is 1. 9 into 9 is 81. 1. So add with 100. 89. Gagan, this kind of variety we have already discussed, sir. I hope everyone is clear, sir.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.